We are the original owners of this 40-year-old house. Our reason for renovating at this point is we wanted a new family to be able to move into a safe, clean environment with no worries. Renoduct also provided us a detailed schedule of what was going to be done, by whom, and when. The trade showed up on time, and at the end of the day, and this is important, they cleaned up whatever debris was left behind for the next team to come in. The schedule was completed on time and, more importantly, on budget. This was very important to us. And in this time of construction problems, completing a project on time and on budget is a hallmark of a truly professional company. I highly recommend these guys. They're the best.